All right, now that you guys have given these ones a try, which I know you gave them a try, right? I'm going to go through and just make sure that we did this right. So it says find two numbers whose difference is 100 and whose product is a minimum. So first off, I'm going to write down, um, I'm going to go x. I'm going to go x, there, difference, minus y is 100. Okay, and then whose product is a minimum. Well, that's going to be the function part of it. So that's going to, I'm going to say, I'll make that a different color too. F of x is going to be x times y. Now I need to rewrite my green part over here with it being equal to y. So what I'm going to do is rearrange this so it says y is equal to x minus 100. Hopefully you're able to get to that. If you brought y over first and then 100 back to the other side, that's what you ended up with. Okay, so that's where you're at. Now I'm going to rewrite this over here. So this will now be f of x is equal to x, and then the y part of it was x minus 100. Okay, now you can really just graph that. Or for this one though, what I'm going to do is I'll complete the square. So if we go x times x, and then x times negative 100, this becomes f of x is equal to x squared minus 100x. So looking at this, we've got a positive sign out front. Positive means happy, which means that it's going to be opening upward, which also means that we're going to be finding a minimum, right? Which is right, because we're looking for a minimum here. So if we look down here, I need to convert this into into vertex form. So let's do that now. So I'm going to say f of x is equal to, we're going to write it as x squared minus 100x. I'm going to leave a space, and I'm just going to put plus 0 so it looks kind of like what we've been doing before. I'm going to go f of x is equal to, this is going to be x minus 50 squared, and now I got to figure out what goes up here. Well, that'll be just 50 squared. Well, negative 50 squared, but it's still going to be the same thing. That's going to be positive 2,500. Okay, but I just can't go around adding 2,500 to questions, so I also need to subtract 2,500. So this becomes this, and then minus 2,500. So now from this, we can see pretty quickly what our vertex would be. So like I said before, if we kind of sketch this out quick, maybe I'll do it over here. So our graph is going to go something like this, right? And we found the vertex down here. And that vertex was at 50, comma, negative 2,500. So in this case, 50 was my value of x, right? That's what x was here in this case. So I'm just going to write this over here. We'll say, so x is equal to 50. So partway done. Our equation that we had up here was y is equal to x minus 100. So y is going to be equal to, well, x minus 100. So y is equal to 50 minus 100. So y is equal to negative 50. So again, you also could have graphed that one. I just wanted to show you this way. So hopefully you got that. If not, keep practicing. Okay, so let's do another one of these dimensions one. This one's similar to this, a little bit easier maybe than this one. So back up here. So it says find the dimensions of a rectangle if the perimeter is 28 centimeters and the area is a maximum. So just a rectangle now. So draw that out here. We know that we'll call x one of these sides, we'll call y the other side. And the perimeter is 28. So I also know this side's y, and I know